Well, good morning, Learned Council, both Ina and Ottawa. You are welcome to today's proceeding. As you are all aware, today we have reached the zenith of this proceeding. We are going to deliver the judgment on 3 petitions that were consolidated. Well, in the process, we may not read out the addresses of council. You know, they will be in the record. But we will read out our findings and resolutions, then the conclusion of the judgment. So, the judgment is a bit lengthy, so we wait for your patience so that in a few hours' time, we will be able to go through. Everybody can go home. Thank you. May the Almighty God guide and lead all of us. Well, we'll start the appearances with petition.